So features, in this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are slightly in NUGT territory. We're still resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line at price of $24.12. With the 4-hour chart, we are in NUGT territory. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $21.51, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $22.98. My stop loss is at $20.85. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.07, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $22.20, and my stop loss is at $23.78. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that would be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has an 89% chance to climb between 0 to 3.5%. To the downside has 11% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.